I love to teach people simple, easy methods to making their recipes healthier. Everything that I teach is around an anti-inflammatory diet and lifestyle. And if you don't know me, my name is Shelly Loving, and I am a certified nutrition chef, but I don't own a restaurant or a catering company. My whole job is food education for you, the everyday home cook who's just trying to make healthier meals for you and your family. It doesn't have to be complicated, so all of my teachings are very simple, very basic. I am not a registered dietitian. I have mad respect for them, but that's just not the approach that I wanted in my career. I wanted to talk to you just like you're in your kitchen, showing you the why behind the ingredients that I use in my kitchen so that it inspires you to make small changes. Small steps, tiny baby steps, are exactly how our health is improved. It's not an overnight fix. If you're battling something, if you have a disease or a chronic condition, or you just don't feel good, you didn't happen like that overnight. So getting healthy is not an overnight fix. It's all in the baby steps, which is why I'm doing this series called The Fundamentals of Healthier Eating. So today I want to talk about antioxidants. If you don't know what an antioxidant is, stick around. If you do know, maybe this will be a good refresher course. Antioxidants are inside fruits and vegetables, nuts, seeds, and legumes. And what they do is they go in our body and they act like little soldiers, and they go and they rebuild and create our cells to be healthy and strong. We have thousands of cells in our bodies dying every day, from toxins in the air to stress, poor diet, lack of sleep. All of those things are causing our cells to die off. So when our body is reproducing cells, we want strong soldiers in our body, right? So antioxidant-rich foods are going to be what helps you obtain healthy, strong cells. So if you think about it, if you're eating an Oreo, yeah, it tastes good for about a minute or two, right? But do you think an Oreo is helping your body build healthy, strong cells? Probably not. And I'm not here to tell you never eat foods like that. I'm just saying we should be eating more consciously and be putting effort into what we're eating instead of just eating with our taste buds, because our bodies depend on the food that we're eating in order to be healthy and strong. When our bodies start breaking down, it's telling us, hey, I need some help. And you know how you can help your body? By eating an antioxidant-rich diet. Comment below if you want me to send you a list of antioxidant-rich foods. And be sure to like and follow and subscribe for more healthy eating and cooking tips and recipes.